So this mesh basket here I'm using has made a big difference in how I process my bolts here. Instead of having to do them one at a time, which causes a lot of finger fatigue with thick rubber gloves, you can just put them in here and quickly process them. Now sometimes you can't get the ends as well, and say if it's stubborn paint or coating, you just can't get off the ends. Sometimes you'll have to do a few of them by hand individually, but for the most part this cage here works really well. So what I did with this here is I tried blasting bolts with this mesh end here, and I found the bolts would sometimes stick in here. So I took a lid from a 1 gallon, actually it's paint stripper, but a 1 gallon bucket, I might as well say, and put it in the bottom here, and that allows these to slide around whenever you're vapor blasting or dry blasting. So this works really well. I'll put a link in the description to the where you can get these, and they're not expensive. I think this thing here was $20, and once you wear out this mesh here, eventually this thin wire will, you'll blast through it, but you still have the other side you can use. So basically it's $10 per half, and it works really well.